You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Popular veteran actor Akinpelu Akeem, otherwise called Baba Ogunmajek, has cried out for help as his health condition worsened. The veteran was said to have been down with an ailment that was not disclosed and is in desperate need of money to keep treating his illness. This was made known by actress Foluke Daramola, who helped him to seek the help on her Instagram page. Sharing photos showing the present conditions of Ogunmajek on her page, she wrote,
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. Thanks.